Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To truly understand the dynamics of global currency competition, especially in the context of the Iraqi dinar and the US dollar, we must first grasp the importance of the petro prefix. When we talk about a Petro-Dinar or a Petro-Dollar, we're referring to a currency primarily used in the trade of petroleum, one of the world's most valuable and sought-after resources. The US dollar has long been the dominant currency in this arena, largely due to the agreements made in the 1970s between the US and Saudi Arabia, which led to oil being priced and traded exclusively in dollars. This system, known as the Petro-Dollar system, has allowed the US to maintain its economic dominance, as countries around the world need to hold large reserves of US dollars to purchase oil. Now, the idea of a Petro-Dinar competing with the Petro-Dollar introduces a fascinating and complex scenario. For the Iraqi dinar to emerge as a serious competitor in the global oil market, it must first gain significant value and stability. This is where the current exchange rate, approximately 10 dinars to the US dollar, becomes a critical point of discussion. At this rate, the dinar is considered to have relatively low value compared to the dollar, which raises concerns about its viability in international trade, especially in the high-stakes oil market. When Newshound guru Militiaman mentions that 1310 has not worked, he is likely referring to the fact that at this exchange rate, the dinar lacks the strength needed to be a serious contender in global markets. For a currency to compete with the dollar, especially in the context of oil trade, it must inspire confidence among global traders and investors. This confidence is built on several factors, including the currency's stability, the economic policies of the issuing country, and the overall health of the country's economy. If Iraq were to attempt to position the dinar as a petro-dinar at the current rate, the result could be problematic. A weak currency might lead to increased volatility and uncertainty in global markets, as traders might be hesitant to hold or trade in dinars if they fear its value could fluctuate wildly. Moreover, international partners may be reluctant to price their oil in a currency that is not widely accepted or trusted on the global stage. Militiaman's skepticism about this scenario is grounded in the understanding that for Iraq to successfully introduce a petro-dinar, the currency would need to be much stronger and more stable than it is today. This could involve significant economic reforms, increased foreign investment, and a strategic approach to managing Iraq's oil resources and revenue. Only then could the dinar gain the value and trust necessary to challenge the dominance of the US dollar in the global oil market. Moreover, introducing a petro-dinar without ensuring its strength could indeed be seen as a risky or even failed strategy. The stakes are incredibly high when it comes to global currency competition, and any misstep could lead to economic instability both within Iraq and in the broader global economy. Therefore, while the concept of a petro-dinar is intriguing and could have significant implications for global trade, it is not something that can be rushed or implemented without careful consideration and strategic planning. In conclusion, while the idea of the Iraqi dinar competing with the US dollar as a petro-currency is exciting, it is clear that there are significant challenges that must be addressed before this can become a reality. The current exchange rate of 1310 dinars to the dollar presents a major obstacle, and any attempt to introduce a petro-dinar at this rate could potentially be a failure. However, with the right economic policies and reforms, there is potential for the dinar to increase in value and stability, which could eventually position it as a strong competitor in the global oil market. For now, though, it is clear that much work remains to be done before the dinar can be seriously considered as a petro currency. Thanks for watching.